Hi everyone, it's Dekilah and I have a lovely ensemble to show you guys today. So my main focus is this beautiful lingerie from Lucy Amber Lingerie. She makes handmade lingerie in the UK, and I have on this really cute robe that she included with my order, and then a lovely floral sheer mesh plunge front, thong back bodysuit, which I saw on her Instagram and I fell in love with it. And thankfully a supporter was gracious enough to fund it for me because my lingerie budget has been pretty much non-existent lately. But I am so happy to have it. It had a little bit of a trip getting it here. But it's here, and then I have on I think it's a Mio Destino garter belt, but then I have on these amazing Fiore Madam stockings. So these are like a sheer flesh nude tone with these amazing black stripes on them, and there is a seam in the back, which I will show you. I love these stockings, and a wonderful supporter, a different supporter, funded these and a pair of red ones too. So I'll be doing another video with a little bit more of a close-up on the stockings, and then eventually I will shoot in the red ones as well. But I really just wanted to show you guys this look. I really love this. And I'll show you the back. So you can see the seams. And they do have seams pretty much all the way down the foot. I'll try to show you better in the close-up video. But they are really, really nice. I really like these in this whole outfit. So if you are a lingerie collector and you like handmade lingerie, I definitely recommend Lucy Amber Lingerie. I have a lounge set, a bralette and thong panty set, and I think this is my fourth bodysuit from her. I really like the bodysuit cut. This one has like super high cut legs. And of course, if you want to see the back without the mesh over it, I will be posting photos to Instagram and Twitter. You can find those linked in the description box, of course, and I will be posting a longer, more detailed video showing more of the lingerie on and off on my Patreon, so check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little peek, and I will be back with another video for you guys soon. Bye!